Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to be learning how to draft, cut and sew a simple collar. If this sounds like something you're interested in, keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get on with the tutorial. So guys, the first thing you want to go ahead to do is to join the shoulders together. The next thing you want to go ahead to do is to measure around the neck region. For me, I have about 17.5 inches, but I'm going to be cutting out 17.75 inches, adding 0.25 to that because I found out that it is always short, so I just added this extra allowance. The next thing you go ahead to do is to get your collar stitch. Then go ahead to open up, just as seen. Go ahead to measure horizontally what you have here. This should be enough to go around the collar. Having done that, the next thing you go ahead to do is to root half an inch away from this bottom region. This is going to serve as our starting line. Then I'll just go ahead to fold what I have in two. Having done that, go ahead to divide the neck that you are working with by 2 and mark it on that starting line. Then also go ahead to divide what you have again into 2. So I'm just going to divide this on paper as you can see, and I will mark it. Then from the point where we divided our neckline into 2, I'll go ahead to come up by half an inch and then slope it all the way to the middle of the collar. Now guys, after doing that, you just have to determine how long you want the collar stand to be. For me, I went up by 1 inch and I took this measurement all through, just as you can see. With the curved part of my ruler, I'll just go ahead to connect the lines together and then connect a vertical line as seen. From this point of the collar stand, I came in by 1 inch and I marked it. Then from that 1 inch I came down by, just went ahead to determine how tall I want the collar itself to be. So guys, for me, I came up by 2 inches because I'm working with this for a child, so you can just go ahead to come up by whatever you want it to be. Then I'll go ahead to connect it as seen. So guys, this corner here, we don't want to leave it pointy. I'll just go ahead to use my barrier and just make a curved mark as seen. Now guys, I'll just proceed to cut what I have out. So guys, that will be all for the cutting of this collar. I'm going to transfer my cut out to my actual fabric. So guys, this is what it's looking like. This is the first fabric and this is the second fabric. I also went ahead to iron my collar stay to the fabric itself and I left half an inch all the way through. So I'm just going to go ahead to join it around this point that you can see me demonstrating and leave the down open. I'm going ahead to join the both pieces together, and now the next thing I'm just going ahead to do is to make notches all through so that this can be easy for us to work with. Once you are through is making your notches, go ahead to turn to the right side. I'll go ahead to iron flat. After ironing all through guys, this is what I have. I also went ahead to fold the hemline of this collar. That is the one I'll be attaching to the neck of the shirt. I folded it inwards and then I ironed it very well. Now guys, I'm just simply going to go ahead to place this and then stitch it down to the neckline. Having joined them both together, this is what I have. That'll be all for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and also comment. Thank you all for watching this far and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.